Hello, and welcome to another episode of our program, Education Talk, where we discuss issues relating to education. I am your host, Simone Brandon. Now, today we will be exploring the issue of conducting effective academic research. But first, let me ask this question. Have you ever turned in an assignment only to hear from your lecturer that your sources were not credible? Well, if you answered yes to this question, today's program is especially for you. My teammates and I will be exploring how to use the C.R.A.A.P test to effectively evaluate your sources. But what is C.R.A.A.P? What exactly is the C.R.A.A.P test? Well, the C.R.A.A.P test is a list of questions that you will ask yourself in order to evaluate your sources effectively. Now, the importance of each level will depend on your own personal need. Now, we'll be hearing from Miss Ashley Williams, Miss Danisha Stewart, Miss Kira Burnett, and Miss Kamala Gordon. Ladies, welcome, and a very special welcome to our viewers. Now, let's evaluate.
Pleasant good morning, teachers and students. My name is Ashley Williams, and today we are here to educate you about the C.R.A.A.P test. So, the C.R.A.A.P test is an acronym for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. The C.R.A.A.P test is used to evaluate your sources. So, when completing an assignment, you can always use the C.R.A.A.P test to evaluate the website, and if the website passed the C.R.A.A.P test, then it is a credible source. So, here I have an article on the 5 stages of sleep deprivation. To get the currency, which is the timelessness of the information of the web page, you have to first find out when was the information published or posted, has the information been revised or updated, is the information current or out of date for your topic, and are the links functional.
So, the R in the C.R.A.A.P test stands for relevance. Some sites would call it reliability. Now, relevance in the C.R.A.A.P pertains to how effectively the information is delivered and who is the perceived audience. So, let's say, for example, you're evaluating a website. You have to look for the importance of the information for your needs. You also have to look at where did the author get the information. Did the author also provide relevant links or citations? Can the information be verified on other websites? In addition, you also need to find out, is the information related to the topic or answers the question that you're seeking an answer to? Is the information at an appropriate level? That is, maybe not too elementary or too advanced for your needs. You also need to look at whether or not the author has used a variety of sources, or also if you used a variety of sources before deciding that this is the article that you will use. You should also check if there is enough information presented on the topic that you will understand what is being discussed. So you see, it is very important for the source to be relevant.
Medical doctor, right? A medical doctor is someone who is expert in the field, and it is written by Christine News on May 26, 2020. Right? So these are persons in authority because they have credentials. They know what they are speaking about. They know what they are doing.
Accuracy.
Accuracy addresses the reliability of the information you are accessing. Bearing in mind that looks can be deceiving, let's look at the Healthline website. They adhere to a strict guideline when it comes on to source. Their researches are peer-reviewed. They have academic researching institutions, government organizations, and medical associations on board. The evidence, therefore, that they put forth is fact-checked by these medical professionals. And when I say medical professionals, I'm speaking to nutritionists, surgeons, pharmacists. They are the persons that they look to for reviewing the information that they have. This information that they review is updated on the site continually because it's being monitored accordingly. And when it is updated, there is a date placed there. The verification of the information can be found on other sites. So they're not speaking from a personal standpoint, and this presents the information as unbiased. The errors are not found in their information. There are no grammatical errors and there are no spelling errors. They are clear and void of this. Hence, I will say that the accuracy of Healthline is on point. Thank you.
Hello, my students. Welcome. Today, I am going to share some very important information with you because I know that sometimes when you're doing your research, sometimes you get a bit frustrated. It is very hard for you to find reliable and credible sources. So today, I'll be talking about the meaning of P in C.R.A.P test. So the P in C.R.A.P test, it stands for purpose and point of view. Here, you're going to ask yourself a number of questions. You will be reading and analyzing. You're going to ask yourself, is the writer writing to entertain or to teach? Is the writer's tone objective? Is the writer speaking facts, opinions, or propaganda? Can what the writer says be proven, and can it be backed up with credible sources? When you are doing your research, you have to ask yourselves these questions. So students, you know, when I went to the website www.healthline.com, the first thing that I noticed was that it did not have a lot of advertisement, which is good. I was able to read and comprehend easily. The writer was not opinionated. The writer was not biased. The writer was speaking facts because it was backed up with credible sources. So in my opinion, this article definitely passed the P in C.R.A.P test.
So I hope you enjoyed our presentation today. But more importantly, I hope that you now have a better understanding of what is C.R.A.P and how to use it to evaluate your sources. Until next time, on the behalf of myself and my fellow presenters, this is Simone Brandon saying, see you next time when we will come with another topic suited just for you. See you then.
This video was created by Donisha Stewart, Simone Brandon Farquharson, Ashley Williams, Kira Burnett, and Kedisha Clooney.